I need to check in for an appointment. Excuse me? Excuse me. I need to check in for an appointment.
She's new.
That's the manager.
He's the manager.
That's the manager?
Yeah.
Their own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman!
Thank you.
B5? Yes, good girl.
Can you hold the fucking light straight?
Симба, принеси туалетную бумагу.
Here comes the real mechanic. Yeah, tell me what I'm doing wrong. What do you mean? That's how you're supposed to fucking do it.